Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we learned how to target one specific class using its fully qualified name in the declaring type pattern. Now, in this video, we are going to go one step further. What if you want to target a class and all its subclasses? Look at the screen. Here is our class hierarchy. We have a base class, MyService, and it has two direct child classes. User Service extends MyService. Order Service extends MyService. And User Service has its own child. Premium User Service extends User Service. We also have an Email Service class, which is completely independent. It does not extend MyService. It is its own class. No relationship to the hierarchy. But now, we have a requirement. We want our aspect to intercept methods from MyService and all of its subclasses, such as User Service, Order Service, and Premium User Service. At the same time, we do not want to intercept methods from any class that is outside this hierarchy, such as Email Service. If we use only the exact class name MyService in our pointcut expression, the aspect will intercept methods declared in MyService itself, but the subclasses will be ignored. So, how can we target an entire class hierarchy with Spring AOP while excluding unrelated classes? That's exactly what we're going to learn in this video. Okay, let's get started. First, let's create our base class, BaseService. Making it abstract. Alright, now let's make User Service and Order Service extend BaseService. Okay, that's done. Now, let's open our logging aspect. If you remember from our earlier discussion on return type patterns, we learned that to match a class and all of its subclasses, we need to add a plus after the class name. The exact same concept applies here. Alright, follow my screen carefully. In the pointcut expression, write the fully qualified name of BaseService. Alright, this is the key part. Pay close attention. To cover BaseService and all its subclasses, add the plus operator immediately after the class name. Alright, look at the screen carefully. See the pointcut expression I have selected. This declaring type, com.gan.derpun.service.baseService covers every class that extends BaseService, directly or indirectly, and anything outside this hierarchy completely ignored. The plus does not target a package. It does not target a naming convention. It follows the inheritance tree. The moment a class joins the hierarchy, by extending BaseService, it is automatically covered by this pointcut. Let's start the application. Hit the User Service API. See, the logging aspect is being triggered for User Service even though our pointcut is targeting BaseService. This happens because User Service extends BaseService, and the plus wildcard tells Spring AOP to include all subclasses of BaseService in the match. Alright, now let's hit the Order Service API. And there it is, look at the console. The aspect fired for Order Service as well. Alright, now it is your turn. I want you to test two more scenarios yourself. Scenario 1. What if the subclass is in a different package? Scenario 2. What if the class does not extend MyService? Try both. Observe. Share your findings in the comments. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today we covered subclass targeting in the declaring type pattern, using the plus operator. In the next video, we continue with the declaring type pattern. We will cover package-level targeting, how to intercept all classes in a package with one expression. So make sure you do not miss that. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.